वेलकम बैक टू वीकेंड आउट। माय नेम इज गौरव। नाम तो सुना होगा। देखिए, अब खाना खाने का वक्त आ चुका है, पर खाना खाने से पहले एक लाइन अर्ज करना चाहूंगा, और लाइन ये है कि आता आईचे हाताची चव परदेशात ही। कुछ लोगों को ये बात समझ में आ गई होगी और कुछ लोगों को शायद ये बात समझ में नहीं आई होगी। तो अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आई तो आपको बताऊं, ये लाइन मैंने कही है मराठी में, और इसका मतलब है अब माँ के हाथ का स्वाद आपको मिलेगा परदेश में भी। स्पेशली अगर आपकी माँ मालवन रीजन से है या आपको बचपन में माँ ने गोवन खाना खिलाया, देन दिस रेस्टोरेंट इज गोइंग टू बी अ बिग फाइंड फॉर यू। रेस्टोरेंट का नाम है साइबा रेस्टोरेंट। अगर आप यहाँ आ चुके हैं तो आपके लिए डबल ट्रीट है, और अगर आप यहाँ नहीं आए हैं तो आज आप डेफिनेटली मुझे बहुत दुआ देंगे कि यार गौरव यार कहाँ लेके गया और क्या खाना खिलाया। चलिए रेस्टोरेंट के अंदर चलते हैं। With its red brick facade and thick window bars, Saiba restaurant in Oud Mehta looks just like a traditional Konkan house more than an eating joint. The similarity is heightened when you step inside, because even the waiters' uniforms derive their inspiration from the native dress worn by the men of the Konkan region. The unpretentious decor, the white cotton kurta pajama and the unmistakable Gandhi cap all work together to further enhance the ambience of the restaurant and give it the earthy feel of a house in the Konkan region along India's western coastline. Sudesh Shinde and his family started their first Saiba restaurant in December 2010 in Karama, Dubai. Today, its popularity has grown to such a level that in a very short time, Saiba restaurant has expanded and has one more branch.
Since my theme was homemade food, I wanted it to happen like when people read that tagline, it should immediately catch that this is a homemade food which is available here. So the tagline itself is Aicha Hatachi Chav Pardeshat. Like here, a lot of people are coming here. They are staying alone. Some bachelors or married bachelors, they don't get such type of food in other type of restaurants, and that's the reason I have put this tagline and giving the same. It proves a lot of. I'm getting a response that yes, what my tagline says, you are really giving the same thing.
Konkan cuisine is a homogeneous mix of Malwani and Goan cooking styles, but the fare at Saiba is predominantly Malwan, characterized by liberal use of coconut, coriander seeds and kokum, and a huge Malwan spread awaited us.
This food which I'm serving in my restaurant, it's basically the recipes are of my wife's recipe. She has trained my cooks here, and they're actually cooking our home food, the same food which my wife cooks at home.
So this is the specialty menu here, and there's another specialty in this. Not only the dishes, but this one is written in Marathi. Now, since I'm a Mumbai boy, I'm going to try and read this Marathi. I haven't read Marathi in the past 10 years, maybe 11. I'm going to try and read this menu on my own, okay? It says, Suruat, Bharlele Paplet, Bangda Reshado, Bombil fry, chicken papri.
Yes, that's
doing well? Okay. So, through the first one. J1. Kombdi vade, bharlela khikda, kombdi kadi, bhat, chapati, तांदळाची भाकरी, घावणे. Dessert गोड गोड, उकडीचे मोदक, बेसन लाडू, पाचक, सोल कढी. I am a rock star. I could do the whole thing. I did well?
Yes, perfect.
Okay, now we're going to eat all this. Right now my plate looks absolutely stunning. I think it's going to be absolutely wrong if I talk with such great food in my plate. I've also learned that because this is, you know, आईचा चव, आईची चव, आईच्या हाताची चव, इसको अपने हाथ से खाना चाहिए. This is what I've been told. So that's what we're going to do. हाथ से खाएंगे और इसका मजा उठाएंगे. For starters, we were served with stuffed pomfret, bombil fry, chicken papri, Bangda Reshado. Devoid of any fancy accompaniments, they tasted absolutely delicious, particularly the pomfret, which was stuffed with juicy prawn goodness and finely ground green masala. Nice, crunchy, very tasty. क्या बात है?
such brilliant taste. This is how you want to eat your fish. पता चल रहा है इसका विनेगर मैरिनेशन, हल्का सा स्वाद आ रहा है. आई थिंक मैंने नींबू थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा डाल दिया, पर स्वाद फिर भी बहुत बढ़िया है. I'm loving it. क्या बात है.
For the mains, Sudesh picked up one of Malvan's native dish, kombdi vade, along with stuffed crab, Kolambi curry. This was accompanied by hot rice bhakris and chapatis and steamed rice.
This is a lot of food on my table and I'm going to eat all of it because all these are specialities here. चलिए भाई, आईचे हाथों से.
The kombdi vade was finger-licking good. This dish consists of traditional Malwani chicken curry called kombdi, served with a fluffy shallow-fried bread made of rice flour. It's the vade, it's just like a puri. In fact, not only the kombdi vade, the entire menu was finger-licking good. I couldn't stop at all.
The crab definitely is not one of the easiest things to eat. लेकिन जब बाकी खाना आपको इतना टेस्टी सर्व किया गया हो, then you are very tempted कि यार अब थोड़ी तोड़ मरोड़ भी करनी पड़े, तो घुसो और खाओ इस crab को. That's what I'm doing. And it's completely worth the effort. Absolutely divine. क्या बना है? दिल से बना है बड़ा.
By now, my stomach was growling with overindulgence. Mercifully, Saiba had something that I desperately needed, the soul curry.
Okay, ये रूह अफ़ज़ा नहीं है, ये सोल कड़ी है. एंड मैंने सुना है केमिकल भाषा में ये pH लेवल को बैलेंस करती है. बेसिकली शॉर्टकट में बात ये है कि जब आप हमारी तरह खाते हैं, यानी कि खुले सांडों की तरह खाते हैं, तो आपकी बॉडी के लिए ये सोल कड़ी बड़ी ज़रूरी हो जाती है, क्योंकि इसके बिना आपका खाना पचने नहीं वाला. इसे कहते हैं पाचक. Cheers.
Cheers.
Made from kokum peels and coconut milk, the spicy pink colored drink is a perfect digestive because it soothed my system within seconds. But Sudesh had more food for me. For desserts, he ordered the very traditional ukdice modak, which for the uninitiated are steamed dumplings but with a sweet filling. And of course, there was the besan laddu.
Okay, so finally, this is going to be the last thing they're giving us. This is the dessert. Now what we're having is besan ke laddu and ukdice modak. Now ukdi is basically steamed. So this is in very raw form, this is a steamed dumpling and this is meetha. This is the dessert. अब इस dumpling को मैं अपने अंदर dump करने वाला हूँ. Very dump joke.
The place definitely reminded me of my mum's cooking. As I left the restaurant, I realized why Saiba has endeared itself to a vast and diverse clientele in such a short span of time. The food is simple, yet delicious, and they stick to the basics.
Okay, I've had a great meal here at Saiba. मेरा पेट पूरी तरह से भर चुका है, बस फटने को है. बट मैं आपको दो चीज़ें बताना चाहता हूँ ना. दिस इज़ ट्रू टू इट्स टैगलाइन विच सेड आईचे हाताची चव, यानी कि आपको अपने घर के खाने का याद आ जाएगा. अगर आपका घर मालवन रीजन में नहीं था तो आपको किसी और के घर के खाने की याद आ जाएगी. लेकिन ये घर वाली फीलिंग आपको डेफिनेटली आएगी जब आप अंदर आते हैं. इट्स अ वेरी वार्म एटमोसफियर. आपको बड़े प्यार से खाना खिलाया जाता है, डिशेज़ बड़े प्यार से. आपने देखा मैंने अपने हाथों से खाना खाया. अगर आपके साथ कोई और हो तो वो आपको अपने हाथों से भी खिला सकती है. बट दिस इज अ ट्रू होम एक्सपीरियंस. सम ग्रेट फूड, सम ग्रेट हॉस्पिटैलिटी हियर. यहाँ आएंगे अगर आप खाना खाने के लिए तो एक चीज़ याद रखिएगा, खाली पेट आइएगा और खाने के बाद ऐसे रखिएगा अपना स्केड्यूल कि सीधा जाएं और घर पे सो जाएं. That's exactly what I'm going to do. याद रखिए, I'm going to see you next week. Till then, no सवाल, no doubt, सबका solution. Weekend out.
It's a K Company production.